All right, so I want to go through a couple different tools that can help both teachers and students increase digital citizenship and protection online. So to help teachers, there's a lot of great professional learning opportunities that are out there that are both free or relatively cheap that I think can really increase digital citizenship. The first one is going to be Google for Education. We actually had to do this as a part of a PL at the very beginning of this year, and their training courses are incredibly detailed. I'll say that they're a little elementary, at least the one that we had to do. Um, it does look like there's an advanced one. However, you can see that they are time consuming. However, once you get through this, like your understanding of Google and how the Google tools work for education will definitely be much higher. Next, if you are looking for lesson plans as a teacher to help students, I guess this is a little bit of a hybrid if this is for teachers or for students, it's kind of for both. Then Common Sense Education has really, really great curriculum to help plan lessons to teach students about how to be a better citizen online. I've used these before. We had to for an SEL, social emotional learning, and they're very fantastic. They're very approachable also for students. For something that would cost money, however, it seems like it's worth it based off of the demos that I was looking at, is something called Cyber Civics. And this is maybe the more beefed up version of the common sense education, cyber civics, and a lot of the lessons that they use in teaching students how to be uh, or media responsible. One of the things that I was really attracted to in this is it talked a lot about critical thinking online, such as spotting out fake news. This is stuff that I think that teachers need to be teaching students how to do because right now the world is changing very fast and no one is really teaching our students how to do that. Another tool for teachers that I think could be pretty helpful would be to get a membership such as to ISTE, the ISTE, which is the International Society for Technology and Education. This would be useful for two things. Number one, they have these educator standards that I think are really good if you're trying to frame how, as a teacher, you should approach education with students. They also have them for students. So if you're looking at creating lessons, this would be a great thing to kind of follow. But also, you get that for free. If you wanted the membership, I think what I would really do is create more of like a professional community of teachers who are really trying to push the envelope and how to integrate more technology into the classroom. And then the last thing I think that's really helpful would be this Microsoft Digital Citizenship quiz for students. It's very simple. It says it takes 30 minutes. It probably could be less. I actually took the quiz, passed, humble brag. Um, but the quiz, what it really just does is it sets up this understanding of what your expectations for somebody online might be and how to protect students for online. What's nice is it gives you all of these different resources right here that you could use as a way to talk to students about how to be safe online.